Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mr. President. Happy birthday to you.
Let's say there's 8,000 people around the lake, which there probably will be close to that. I'm going to say 6,000 of them are from out of town.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're guests, you know, that kind of thing.
But they might
So
pop money.
I don't know that it will mean that much to them. I guess that's where I'm going with that statement.
All around. He's an outlaw who's been running, came the whisper from each lip, and he's here to do some business.
But you'll have a surcharge.
All right. Our grandson, his grandson, granddaughter, two grandsons. They're playing pirates.
They made this, I don't think they're putting it on.
We have money.
We have money. Aren't they awesome?
They are. That's great.
Now, Jay Jones to my left, he has been involved with Carnival for nearly 50 years, or was this your 50th year? 73. So Jay was with the Baker's Dozen float group back in the 70s and 80s. He has been on the committee for many years as the treasurer, doing other odd jobs and responsibilities that come up with Carnival. And he clearly is somebody that is so deserving for all of his years of service. And there are many other things that I could get into, and we did on the post. But Jay is also a Canoe Carnival Hall of Famer, and we congratulate you.